Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your neighborhood on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels within the game. Once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, then you will have access in order to change your neighborhood or your farm name. Now your neighborhood is called your farm, so your neighborhood name is actually your farm name within the game. So in order to change this, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on the settings. Here now you will directly find the change farm name option. Just tap on this button and you will be allowed to change the name of your farm, also known as neighborhood. Just type in your desired neighborhood name and tap on the tick mark, and now your neighborhood will immediately be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the name of your neighborhood or farm on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.